I spent years hand vacuuming my pool, and honestly, it's miserable. I'd rather be swimming than scrubbing algae. So I finally gave in and bought the 5 most popular robotic pool cleaners on the market to see if they are actually worth the hype or just expensive toys. I tested them on leaves, sand, and grime to find the best one for you. Product number 1: Dolphin Nautilus CC. Starting with the Dolphin Nautilus CC, this thing feels like the industry standard. It's a bit heavier than some plastic models, but holding it, you can tell it's built to last. The best part during my testing was the active scrubbing brush. Unlike cheaper robots that just suck, this one actually spins fast to scrub the grime off the walls. I threw it in, and within 2 hours my floor was spotless. The top-load filter basket is super easy to rinse out, no flipping the heavy machine over. It is corded, which means you don't have to worry about charging it, but you do have to manage the wire on the deck. It climbs walls easily but doesn't do the waterline. If you want a proven, reliable workhorse and don't mind dealing with a cable, this is the solid choice. Now let's look at something cordless. Product number 2: 2025 Upgrade 4-in-1 Robotic Pool Cleaner. I picked up this upgraded 2025 model specifically to test its all-cover mode. Physically, the tracks feel very grippy, almost like a tank tread. It's totally cordless, and the 180-minute runtime is insane. It outlasted every other robot I tested on a single charge. The 4-wheel drive system handled my pool's deep end slope without slipping once. It has 4 different cleaning modes you can switch between, so if you just want the walls done, you can tell it to do just that. The 4800 GPH suction handled twigs easily. If you have a large inground pool and need deep cleaning without a cord getting tangled, this is a beast that handles complex shapes well. Product number 3: 2025 New Smart Navigation Pool Robot. This next cordless model looks pretty sleek and felt surprisingly balanced when I lifted it. The main selling point here is the navigation. Instead of bouncing around randomly like a ping-pong ball, it uses an N-shaped path. I watched it work, and it actually moves in organized lines, which made it way faster at covering the whole floor. The 180W motor is powerful. It sucked up a pile of wet leaves I dropped in as a test without choking. It's also got a simple 1-button start, so you don't need a degree to operate it. It handles walls and floors, though the manufacturer says it's not great for steps. If you hate seeing your robot miss spots because it's moving randomly, you'll love the smart navigation on this one. It feels very precise compared to older models. Product number 4: Gossamer Pivot. Then I grabbed the Gossamer Pivot. The first thing I noticed was how easy it is to pull out of the water. Usually these robots are heavy water buckets, but this has a fast drain system where the water rushes out in seconds. It makes a huge difference for your back. It uses a dual motor drive, so it turns really sharply on the pool floor. I was impressed by the suction. At over 4,000 GPH, it pulled up sand that had settled in the deep end that I couldn't even see from the surface. The filter basket is large enough that I didn't have to empty it halfway through the cycle. It's lightweight but still feels sturdy. If you want something powerful that doesn't feel like a gym workout to remove from the pool, this is the one to get. Product number 5: AIPER Scuba SC. Finally, I tested the AIPER Scuba SC. This is definitely smaller and lighter than the others, designed mostly for flat pools. Holding it, it feels very manageable, almost like a kickboard. My favorite feature was the auto parking. When the battery got low after about 90 minutes, it didn't just die in the middle of the pool. It drove itself to the edge so I could grab it with the hook. It doesn't climb walls like the big boys, but for cleaning the floor of an above-ground pool, it's perfect. It drains quickly and is super simple to store since it's so flat. It handles leaves and dirt well, but don't expect it to scrub tiles. If you have a flat bottom above ground pool and just want the floor kept clean without spending a fortune, this is the smart pick. So whether you need the wall climbing power of the Dolphin or the lightweight convenience of the AIPER, getting one of these will definitely save your summer weekends. I've left links to all 5 in the description so you can see the current prices and grab the one that fits your pool. Thanks for watching.